Hey guys, I'm gonna be installing a kit that you get from UTV Engineering, and it's to go into your clutch cover, just to blow the dust out for any greaseless clutches. Get all this stuff in the kit here, and anyway, I'm just gonna show you how I do it. Here's my Viking, little TGM love there. And they have to be strategically placed. They got to be blow into either here, here, or here. Obviously you can't hit here, or it won't work. So I had to pull this off today just to double check everything. I had a big screw up not long ago, and long story, I wanted to pull everything off after a big run yesterday, check it out, make sure everything's still cool in here. And I'm gonna get on with this install. I got the cage back off. Just wanted to check everything out here. As you see, there's some dust. There's quite a bit of belt dust or something up there. Looks like belt dust. It was a wet condition day yesterday. There was no dust at all. So it's not like I was driving in the desert or anything. Anyway, so what I did is take the cage, flip it upside down as it would sit inside this housing, because it's pretty well impossible to guesstimate exactly where to drill your holes. So I flip it in upside down. I know I did this actually last time. You can see my mark here. I set the cam plate in there too, just so I knew exactly where I could go. There's little divots in the cam plate. That's where I'm going to drill the holes. So I marked one there, and there's another one down here I marked. So I'm going to drill the holes, and then these guys are going to go in there. They got the rubber on the one side so they don't leak, and then they'll be strategically placed to blow the dust out. Okay, so I got this put in. It's all put in pretty nice here. I'm ready to throw the clutch cover back on. I got to do the cage, put the cover back on. I've already got the hose ran underneath. I've got it coming up here, right behind the driver's seat. It's a 6, so it's way too long. I'd like to have it, you know, over behind the back seat, but you got to be able to rev it up in neutral, and I kind of want to be able to reach the gas pedal and do this at the same time, just to make it easier. So yeah, I've got the clear tubing. It comes in the kit. It's ran underneath, comes up right up around the seatbelt hole. Worked perfect. And I'll just we'll take a quick look again in here before I put this back on. So they're nice and flush inside there, so there's no interference of any sort. And yeah, looks good. Can't wait to try it. Alright, so here's what the finished product looks like. We got to put it in here, tucked around behind. I still haven't put my covers on, obviously. So routed all back there. Got the last piece on. Comes with a mud cap. Goes right there. It's going to be easy for me to blow out, and I'm just going to get this fired up and try it out here in a sec. So now that this is all ready for use, I just tried it. Not much came out, but it was just cleaned. I mean, it's only got 75 miles on it. So anyway, since I did the clutch work. So anyway, you just want to give it the air right here. Have the engine running in neutral. Rev it up. That makes your primary spin. It's spinning. You give it the air here, and it should blow all the dust, whatever, right out of your exhaust. And that should be it. I do want to add that this will work on any greaseless CVT. Of course, the greased clutches stock, or if you've got the other guys there, you don't want to do this. But with greaseless, works perfect. I'm pretty sure this will work on Polaris, Can-Am, whatever. So yeah, if you want to get this set up, check out UTV Engineering. They're on Facebook, and it's got a store on eBay. Massive Overkill, he's got a video on this too. I'm pretty sure he had something to do with designing this system too, with along with the other guy. I won't use any real names, because just in case they don't want any part of it. But yeah, a couple great people that designed this system, and I've really enjoyed being a customer of theirs, and I'm sure I will be for a long time.